In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format a header row in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable sheet with a header that stays visible as you scroll, making your data easier to scan, share, and analyze. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. This can be a new sheet or an existing one you're organizing. Think of the header as the label for each column. Clear labels help you and anyone else using the sheet understand exactly what each column contains. Click on the first row where you want the header to live. In most cases, that's row 1 at the very top of the sheet. Using the top row keeps things consistent and ensures your header is the first thing people see. Now, fill in each cell across that first row with the column titles you want. For example, you might type name, age, city, or any labels that match your data. Keep your titles short and specific. If a label needs more than one word, that's perfectly fine. Just make it descriptive enough that it's obvious what belongs in that column. Consistent capitalization, like using title case, can make the row look polished and easier to read. Next, highlight the entire first row. The quickest way is to click the row number on the far left. You'll see the whole row become selected, which means any formatting you apply will only affect your header. Let's make it stand out. Use the toolbar at the top to apply formatting. Bold is a great place to start, as it immediately separates the header from your data. You can also center align the text if that matches your layout, or left align it for fields like names. Consider increasing the font size slightly or adding a subtle fill color to the header cells so it's easy to distinguish at a glance. If any header text is long, turning on text wrapping keeps everything visible without expanding columns too far. Finally, keep your header visible while you scroll. Go to the top menu, click View, then freeze, and choose one row. This locks the header row in place, so as you move down through your data, those labels remain at the top. It's a small step that makes a big difference when you're working with longer lists. That's it. You've opened your sheet, placed your header in the first row, labeled each column, formatted the header to stand out, and frozen it so it stays visible. Your sheet is now clearer, more professional, and easier to use.